License. Okay, here we go. No, it's gonna let you get more. It's gonna. You're struggling to get jobs on Upwork, but you've got a license in a particular field that's been issued by an institution or the government. It's gonna help you get more jobs. My name is Tyler, and I'm an independent freelancer on Upwork. I've recently become a top-rated freelancer, and I'm here to help you do exactly the same. So, follow me. Okay, so right from this home page, we are going to navigate to the right-hand side. You're going to click on your profile name. You will find yourself here in this page. Let us scroll down slightly. On the left-hand side, you will see it says licenses. So right now, I don't have any licenses. I'm unlicensed. You're going to hit the plus icon. Here, you can add your licensed profession. Okay, so there is a little information icon here. You can read up a little bit more about exactly what it is. Your jurisdiction or your licensing body, your license number, your verification URL, and then the date it was issued and the date it expires. You can also just state that it does not have an expiration date over here. And then all of these stars we'll see over here, all of these are required fields. So basically, every one of these are required fields. Once you have added all of this information in here, you will go ahead and click on save. This is important to read before you go ahead and just add random information. Okay, so they're documents issued by government authorities or professional entities. You need to learn more about that. You can go ahead and click on this link over here. The benefits, which is more important, of adding a license, let us put it into a practical scenario here. So for the example, we are a legal advisor, or we have a lawyer's license, or we have some license pertaining to legal documents or legal, anything legal. So let's say we go and look for a job with the keyword legal. 25 minutes ago, legal counsel needed for Amazon listing copyright infringement case. There's a job that's been posted 25 minutes ago. You can see over here, 32 minutes ago, they're looking for an employment law expert. Legal draft repolishing expert needed. You'll see the word expert in a lot of these jobs. And the reason for this is because these people want actual qualified personnel. So as a freelancer, when you submit a proposal and the client sees your profile, immediately they're going to scroll down over here and they're going to have a look under licenses, and they're going to see you are a legal representative and you have the qualifications to actually represent them, and you can then have a better chance of getting the job. So overall, having more licenses will increase your chances of getting a job on Upwork. Trust me when I say it is not easy starting on Upwork with no job history, no experience, no knowledge of how the platform actually operates. But with hard work and dedication, you can also be successful, just like I am and millions of other freelancers. If you found this video really and truly helpful, you can drop a like down below to show your support. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions, inquiries, whatever, it doesn't matter. Drop a comment below. If you'd like to contact me privately, you can go ahead onto my homepage and find my personal email address there. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, take care.